Hi YouTube, I have a quick DIY tutorial for you today, and it's just some salt and sugar scrubs. So I know I've been talking a lot about the pop-up sales I've got coming up. It's the holidays, there's a lot of them. I gotta have a lot of things for them. And the thing is, when I do a boutique or things like that, I want it to feel like Target. So I want to have things at different price points that people, as they're browsing, can impulse buy. And the truth is, they're not going to impulse buy a $200 table. So I have to have things that are more reasonably priced, under $5. So $5, $3, $2 that they can look at and buy. So I'm going to make some salt and sugar scrubs today. And for that, you need to have a lot of little pretty containers. So I've got canning jars for one thing. So I've got this style with the diamond pattern on it. I've got these flat ones, which are super cute with their, little squat ones. And they're nice to get your hands in, so they're good for lotions and things like that. And then I found these cute little Italian jars at a thrift store, but you can use whatever you have as long as it's pretty.
But Mom, that's not pretty.
It's not?
No.
I can fix that.
Let's go and fix it.
Okay. Okay, so are they pretty now?
Now they're pretty.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I did a good job.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Mwah. Okay, so now that my assistant has found better things to do, and we have our pretty jars ready, making sugar scrubs is fairly easy. It doesn't take any effort whatsoever, and you probably already have the ingredients in your cupboard, so it's awesome. It's an awesome gift to make for people. It's a wonderful project for kids. It's super, super simple. So what we're gonna do is the basic recipe, and I'll put all this in the links down below. Don't feel like you gotta write it down really quick or anything. I'll put the whole recipe down in the links below. Is 1 cup of sugar or salt. So if you're making a salt scrub, it's the same thing. 1 cup to 1/4 cup of the oil that you choose. Now you can choose brown sugar, white sugar, sea salt, iodized salt, which, man, they have the wonderful, fantastic Himalayan pink salt. You can do any of those as long as it's a 1 cup to 1/4 cup ratio. So as long as that's your combo, you can do anything you want. You can use raw sugar, any kind of sugar you want. I am going to do a pumpkin spice sugar scrub because I love the smell of pumpkin spice sugar scrub. I make this for myself. I keep a little bowl of it in my bathroom. And when the winter comes and your hands get all dry and nasty, I use this to slough the dead skin off, but it smells so fantastic in there because that warm water heats everything up, and as you're soaping up and you're scrubbing the dead skin cells off your hand, it smells so fantastic. It's such a comforting smell. So what I'm going to do is actually a combination of white sugar and brown sugar. So this is how I do it. This is my sugar scrub. You don't have to do it this way. You can make modifications all you want, but this is how I do it. So what you do is I'm gonna get 3/4 cup of white sugar. So let's see, white sugar. And then I get 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So 3/4 plus 1/4 is, anyone? 1 cup of sugar and a bowl. Got a bowl? Got a bowl. Doesn't have to be a fancy bowl. Nothing special about the bowl. 1/4 cup of brown sugar in the bowl. 3/4 cup of white sugar in the bowl. Now then you want to get your oils, and you can do any kind of oil that you like. For this project, am going to use coconut oil. I like the coconut oil, but I'll show you what else you can use. 1 second. It is available at your grocery store in the natural food aisle, so don't be fooled. It's sweet almond oil. I think a lot of people think you can't get this in the grocery store. I don't know why. A friend of mine says you can't get that in the grocery store. You can't look in the baking aisle and find this in your grocery store. I get that. This is in your natural food aisle. So like my Cub store, I don't know, they don't have Cub around the country. I think that's a Minnesota store. This is in the natural food section. So you can get this at the grocery store. This cost me $7.99, I think. So you know, a bag of, you can go to the dollar store and get sugar. It doesn't have to be fancy sugar. So you can get a bag of sugar for $1 at the dollar store, a bag of brown sugar at the dollar for $1 at the dollar store, almost $8 for this. Or this was Target's brand Simply Balanced coconut oil. I think this was $6. It might have had a cartwheel on it. But you can use other types of oil. Safflower oil. This is wonderful. It's got vitamin E in it. It's a fantastic oil to use. Also available at your grocery store. So this is the whole thing, as I'm trying to tell you. This whole project can be done with things you can get at the grocery store. So the canning jars, everything. You go one-stop shop. Target has everything you need, or your local grocery store will have everything you need. But I am going to use the coconut oil. Coconut oil is hot right now. People are putting it in their coffee. They're putting it on their skin. They're drawing oils out of their tongue. I don't know. I don't use it for any of that. I use it for this. You know, it works for me. I like it. Keeps my skin soft. Doesn't get all dry in the winter. And I wash my hands a lot because I'm always painting. So let me get 1/4 cup of the oil. 1 second to get better lighting. I gotta figure out how to light glasses. If anybody knows how, comment in the comments below. But I've got my 1/4 cup of oil. This is actually way easier when the oil, last time I did this, it was warm out. It was really warm. It was like, I don't know, 96 degrees or something like that. And the coconut oil was slightly liquid. So maybe you wait till you've cooked something in the kitchen and your oil is kind of emulsified a little bit, but this is pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty thick stuff at the moment, so you put it all in the bowl. And then what I'm gonna do is, this is Watkins pumpkin spice extract. So I love this stuff, but it does have an alcohol smell to me. I mean, it really, really does. I'm gonna just put a few drops in, because I'm not gonna just use this extract, just because I don't like the alcohol smell. So what I got was actual pumpkin spice. Cinnamon is fantastic for your skin. It sounds really weird, but actually it's been used for centuries to help with things like swelling and to warm up your hands and your skin and stuff like that. So I just toss a little bit in there. I don't do precise on this. I just kind of go till I like it. And then you're gonna mix. You're gonna mix. Mix. Mix, mix. Let's do time lapse on this because it's scintillating. Okay, so it's pretty well combined. This is way easier when it's liquid. I gotta tell you. Maybe next time I'll heat it up in the microwave a little bit. I don't know. But that chunky coconut oil, it's a little hard to mix. But as you can see, the brown sugar gets all seriously, y'all, I want to eat this. There's nothing in here I can't eat. That's the best part. You get some on your hands. You could scrub your face down with it. It won't hurt you. You do not want to get cinnamon in your eyes. Did I need to tell you that? I didn't need to tell you that, did I? Good. Yeah, this stuff smells fantastic, but you can scrub your face with it. Won't hurt a thing. Don't get it near your eyes. You can do your hands with it. It's fantastic. When I get, I wash my hands constantly in the winter because I'm always doing paint, and the back of my hand here always gets super dry, and I just scrub it off with the oils in there. If you take this into the shower, can I please tell you to be cautious, or tell the next person who gets into that shower, make sure you have a rubber mat. This is oil. It liquefies in the heat. It feels fantastic on your skin while you're soaping up. It makes the floor really slippery. Please be careful. If you take it into the tub with you, same deal. The next person that gets in there, it's gonna be super, super slippery for them. So make sure you clean it out really good. Cleaning that out, kind of a treat. You're gonna need a special cleaner. Gonna need a cleanser, like a scrubber. But when you're all done, it goes into the pretty jar, and look at this. Look how yummy this is. And I have to tell you, I wish there was some way to scratch and sniff this screen right now, because it is pumpkin spice heaven. It is just fantastic. So Yeah, this is a great Christmas gift, everybody. You could give me a gift. You could send me these. I'll take them all day long. But the really nice thing is you don't have to just do pumpkin spice. I also have, where did I put it? Wait. Sorry. I also have some essential oils. So I've got like happiness. It's this wonderful citrusy, what else does it have in here? Cedarwood, lemon, spearmint, grapefruit, tangerine. Yeah, it's very citrusy. Every time I smell it, it does make you happy when you smell it. You can use something like this. It's a really nice gift if you take this and you do a salt scrub. Salt is believed to absorb negative energy. Over the centuries, that's what the belief was, is that salt would absorb negative energy. So it's a nice gift for somebody who's had a bad week or something really difficult going on in their life. You can get a little happiness. Oh, you can get, I'm probably going to leave that in because you guys are going to be like, what a dork. Happiness essential oil. I got this at Walgreens. So there's a Walgreens near you, I'm sure. You can get this back in their pharmacy section. I have a bunch of different essential oils, and the essential oil sellers out there are going to tell me how this is not a pure essential oil. I don't care. I'm not using it for what they're using essential oils for. I purely love the smell of this happiness oil, and I do make salt scrubs and I give them to people I know are having a difficult time. I use sometimes the Himalayan salt. It is available at Target in the grocery area. It might be at some natural food. I'm pretty sure the natural food sellers have it. It's the pink salt, and it's the larger grains. So it's kind of a nice little pretty package. For that pink salt, I would grind it down a little bit, stick it in your food processor or blender, bust up those big chunks of salt so that it's more of a finer texture. But the same ratio, 1 cup to 1/4 cup, a little happiness in the salt, and then you can put a little note with it that says salt is believed to absorb negative energy. Use this to wash away any negative energy you've absorbed during the day. So I think it's a fantastic gift. It's a great thing for kids to make. Super easy, as you can see. I mean, literally, I just sat here. Just don't let them eat ones that have essential oils. This is all natural because it's extract and spices, but some of these essential oils, I would not let them consume this. So please watch your kids and make sure they're not eating things like this. But you can make a lemon mint. Oh, that's a really good one. I love the lemon mint. I do a bunch of different, I'm gonna say flavors, and I know they're not flavors, but you know, the smells are fantastic. So there's lemon mint. I like eucalyptus for cold season. It's so nice just to have eucalyptus. While you're in the shower, you can just set the salt scrub in the corner and let it melt, and you can smell that wonderful eucalyptus smell. It helps, you know, clear out your sinuses. But yeah, super simple gift. I am seriously gonna break something. That was ironstone. Oh, didn't break. It didn't break. So if you are so inclined, pick up a few cute little jars. Make yourself some sugar scrub, give it to your friends and your family for Christmas and holidays, and it's a nice little stocking stuffer. I think they'll like the pumpkin spice, though. Give it a try. Happy junket, everyone. Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Give it a big
Thumbs up.
and don't forget to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. I post every week DIY tutorials, junkin videos, and you know, she'll make an appearance every once in a while. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin videos.